Part 2, Vocabulary Supermarket. The example of name of food items in the supermarket. Number 1, rice. Number 2, instant noodles. Number 3, eggs. Number 4, soy sauce. Number 5, shake. Number 6, milk. Number 7, bread. Number 8, candy. Number 9, snack. Number 10, fruit. 10 examples of names of non-food supermarket items. Number 1, bath soap. Number 2, shampoo. Number 3, lotion. Number 4, perfume. Number 5, deodorant. Number 6, children toys. Number 7, facial tissue. Number 8, writing utensils. Number 9, cookware. Number 10, accessories.